Just how durable is the DJI Mini 2? You're about to find out. We're gonna put it to the test. Don't go anywhere. Hey guys, David Plummer here from Aerial Influence. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now, if you watch our channel often, you know we deal with bigger drones like the Matrice 300, which is an awesome drone for police, for search and rescue, but also for industries like construction and inspection and all sorts of other industries. But today I wanted to go the complete opposite. I wanted to talk about the DJI Mini 2, which just recently was released. There are a million reviews out there that are going to tell you everything you want to know, from OcuSeek 2.0 to its new camera with the 4K sensor on it. That's all great, but what we wanted to test it out for was for its durability. What we found with the original DJI Mavic Mini is that police and specifically SWAT teams really liked the DJI Mavic Mini. Now, I was a little disappointed when I picked this thing up because I assumed that, like the old Mini, the new Mini 2 would also come with prop guards. It did not. You can buy them online as an aftermarket. That's unfortunate because the prop guards were awesome on the original Mavic Mini. They really kept the drone safe. You could hit a wall, you could bump into things, and the drone would either stay afloat, or if it did happen to wreck, it was pretty much going to be protected. It really was hard to hurt this thing. Fortunately, the guards for the old Mini work on the Mini 2 as well, so I attached them. I want to try going through our building, going through some windows, going through some doors. I'm going to really put it to the test and see if we come away with any damage. So let's check it out. Looks like the cage itself broke a little bit, but the drone seems to be in good shape. Okay, let's try this again. So I put the DJI Mini 2 through the paces, bumped it against several walls, actually knocked it to the ground several times. Worst that's happened so far is we have cracked the prop guards, so we've gone ahead and reinforced those, and we've chipped one propeller. So we wrecked it several times, bumped it into dozens of things. It is still going, it is still moving. Now, I'm not running it into it going 25 miles an hour or 20 miles an hour, not putting it in sport mode and just ramming it into things. This is brushing it against things, bumping it against things, just seeing how it does. So Really impressed with the DJI Mini 2, just as impressed as I was with the Mavic Mini 1. This one obviously has got some upgrades. It has the OcuSync 2.0, it has the upgraded camera. So both of them are great drones. This one, if you need that 4K, is gonna be better. And if you want better range, especially inside, you're probably gonna wanna go with this for the video signal alone. So for police departments, those are the people we typically sell these to. For the SWAT team, this is gonna be a good option for you because you're gonna get better range than you would have with the original Mini 1, and it's still really rugged like the Mini 1 was as well. So there you have it. Thank you guys so much for checking out the channel. We will see you next time.